Here, we are going to talk about the smallest action that defeats the biggest enemy, procrastination. Not with motivation, not with discipline, with a loophole, a tiny habit that moves mountains. You wake up, you have goals, but your body feels heavy. Your mind says, later. Your phone says, now. Your dreams wait. Your comfort wins. Every day looks like this. A stick figure staring at a mountain labeled work. The mountain looks impossible. The brain pulls the emergency brake. Fear, overwhelm, resistance. Procrastination isn't laziness, it's protection. Your brain thinks big goals are predators, so it hides. Your brain has one job: save energy. Big tasks look like danger, so the brain releases doubt, fatigue, distraction. This is called activation energy. Like an engine, cold engines resist starting, but warm engines move easily. The secret is not force, the secret is ignition. There is a rule so small it slips past fear. It's called the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Not tomorrow, not later, now. But here's the twist. You don't finish the task, you only start it. 2 minutes of motion beats 0 minutes of perfection. Big task equals monster. Small task equals mouse. Instead of write a book, say open the document. Instead of go to the gym, say put on shoes. Instead of fix my life, say drink water. You're not climbing the mountain, you're stepping on the first rung of a ladder. Motion creates emotion. A still car goes nowhere. A moving car rolls downhill. 2 minutes becomes 5. 5 becomes 10. Momentum is a snowball. Procrastination is ice. Warm it with action. Every tiny action casts a vote. I am lazy, or I am someone who starts. Your brain keeps score. Each small win builds a new mirror. You don't become productive by thinking. You become productive by doing one tiny thing over and over. Identity is currency. Spend it wisely. One small task, then another, then another. Each domino waits. You don't push the last one, you push the first. Systems beat motivation. Routines beat willpower. Tiny actions become architecture. Do not say, I'll just do more. Say, I'll stop after 2 minutes. This removes pressure. Pressure kills movement. Freedom creates flow. Your job is not to finish. Your job is to begin. The stick figure changes from frozen to moving, from crawling to climbing, from staring at mountains to walking through valleys. Small steps every day. The mountain shrinks. The figure grows. You were never broken. You were overloaded. You didn't need more discipline. You needed a door small enough to walk through. Great lives are built with tiny bricks, tiny promises kept daily. 2 minutes today becomes a future you recognize. If you are waiting to feel ready, you will wait forever. But if you start small, you start now. A spark becomes a fire. A step becomes a path. A habit becomes a life. Your future self is watching you, not asking for perfection, only for motion. Right now, do one thing for 2 minutes. Stand up, drink water, open the file, tie your shoes. Prove to your brain that you move. Not tomorrow, not later, now. Because momentum is not magic, it's built. One tiny push at a time.